6. Best homeopathic medicine for piles treatment. Vertical bar which can avoid surgery. The piles is a disease of faulty lifestyle and faulty food habits that causes the anal veins to get swelled up and the manifestation of all piles symptoms. So in the treatment of piles, it is most important to correct the causative ailments that responsible for developing piles. Homeopathy treatment of piles. The piles is a disease of faulty lifestyle and faulty food habits that causes the anal veins to get swelled up and manifestation of all piles symptoms. So in treatment of piles it is most important to correct the causative ailments that responsible for developing piles. Besides that, the treating of symptoms with gentle way can cures the piles permanently. The acute case of piles having symptoms of bleeding, pain, itching can be very well treated by proper homeopathy treatment, which gives a long-standing cure to this condition. The bleeding of piles can be well controlled with proper homeopathy treatment in 24 hours. The pain and other symptoms can be well treated by proper homeopathy treatment. In comparison to other therapy, homeopathy helps to give a long-term cure to piles as a target to improve the underlying cause of the disease. In conventional treatment, the surgery is the major option. Surgery is just a management part of treatment where there is heavy bleeding or not availability of any good homeopathy treatment. The surgery is meant for removal of the swelled venous portion, especially in 4th grade of piles. But removal of that swelled hemorrhoid at any stage is not the solution of long-term cure but just the management of the present situation. A proper homeopathy treatment not only manages the symptoms but also offers a long-term relief and cure to the ailment. Besides the treatment, it is highly required to improve your lifestyle and food habits, which are the primary cause of development of piles. If you are regularly taking of junk foods and processed foods that initiate the constipation and acidity problem, which ultimately end up with piles. Especially in the corporate sector or IT sectors, the workload is so high they don't get time to get up from their chair, and in addition with taking the foods like cold coffee or pizza or burger, like fast foods, adds the fuel to fire. Our lifestyle is changing as the time is changing. The competition level is rising day by day. To cope this situation, we are working hard to keep ourselves in the right position of this horse race. But at the other hand, we are forgetting the important thing about our health. When due to our faulty lifestyle and unhealthy food habit the piles like a major health problem rises, we then rush to the doctor to get a fast cure of that ailment. We do the surgery in the thought to get a permanent cure of this obstinate health problem. But we forget that the piles is just the outcome result of some background health problem which manifest or express outwards in the form of piles. The background health issues like constipation, chronic acidity, flatulency, faulty lifestyle, wrong food habits, that all need to be corrected to get a permanent cure of piles. In this regards, homeopathy medicines target to treat the causes that responsible for causing piles like chronic constipation, chronic acidity, and flatulency, so that piles can be cured permanently. In this regards, homeopathy medicines target to treat the causes that responsible for causing piles like chronic constipation, chronic acidity, and flatulency, so that piles can be cured permanently.